The Panzer IV Ausführung die Platz kit. It's Tamiya-like in its simplicity. It has DS tracks. It has no PE. And way lower part count. 175 parts. One of the quality hallmarks of Dragon is the detailed jack, usually in 7 pieces. It comes in this kit as 3 pieces. Same with the suspension, which is in 2 pieces in this kit, and is usually in 4 or even 8 pieces in the so-called super kits and derivatives thereof. The Platz kit, and for instance the JSU 122 series of Soviet tanks that I showed you earlier, would be uncomplicated places to start building Dragon kits. But I would argue that both the JSU 122 and the Platz Panzer IV would not show what a run-of-the-mill Dragon kit from 2004 onwards would be like. It is a simplified version and does not look like a true Dragon experience, for better and for worse.